Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add family member to Amazon Prime account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Amazon Prime, click these options. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding family members to your Amazon Prime account allows them to enjoy certain benefits of Prime membership, such as free shipping, Prime Video streaming, and more. Obviously, it's easier to add any family members on your account in a very straightforward process. Now, if you're not familiar with the Amazon household setup, Amazon offers a feature called Amazon Household, which allows you to share your Prime benefits with one adult and up to 4 children under the age of 18 on your household, all right? I'm gonna switch over to my Amazon Household account, and basically here's how you can set it up. Now, to add a member of your household or a family here, you see, you can create your household in this section. You can add adult, add a teen, add a child. All right. Remember, if you wanted to get more information about the household setup, this is some information that you might want to read before you dive into it. All right. Adults are 18 and up. Teens are considered 13 to 17, and children is 12 and under. All right. A household allows you to connect and share Amazon benefits with the whole family. 2 adults, and again, as I've mentioned earlier, up to 4 teens here, and 4 child profiles. You may link in household, all right? And of course, these are going to be the mostly Prime benefits. Free Prime delivery benefits, streaming access to Prime Video, free books with Prime Reading, Amazon Photos and album sharing, free books with Amazon First Reads, and of course, early access to Amazon Lightning deals, all right? Now, again, just simply click on Add Adult if you wanted. You must declare your country, and then that's going to be United States. Okay, set country. All right, now after doing so, you would be redirected to another page wherein you can invite someone who live with to share benefits. You can create an Amazon household to share digital content with one other adult in your household for free. All right. Now, remember that if the other adult is Prime member, you can also share select Prime benefits at no additional cost. Just put in their name and their email and click on continue. Now, after that, just hover again here at the Start Share Today and add a teen. If you do that, you would be forwarded here. You see, teens can shop and get free 2-day shipping of millions of items. Parents share a payment method and manage teen order approvals. And teens can stream millions of movies and shows on Prime Video. And parents can manage their content settings. All right. And again, if you wanted to create a teen account, all you're going to do is follow these simple steps and you're good to go. Now, the next thing is we're going to add a child by clicking this button. And again, in order to create a household for you, just select the country that you are in. Click on set country. Now, you can put in the child's first name and the birth month and the icon that you wanted. For example, you're looking for the dinosaur right here. Click on save. And that's basically put in the birthday. Click on save, all right? And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.